guys, it is really loud out here because we're in a fireworks show, and you probably can't even hear me or see me. But let me just show you these fireworks before they end. Whoa, that looks like it's so loud. I don't know how loud it sounds in camera, but in real life, it's pretty scary. The sound. It's not even 4th of July yet, but we are gonna have more fireworks on 4th of July. Whoa, look at that one. Whoa, that one's beautiful. Whoa. Look at all the amazing new colors. And they're always coming up with cool ones. Whoa, whoa, there's 2 of them up there. Oh, that sounds so cool. Well, that was, that one's so loud. Oh, let me aim it a little higher. You see that? Just look at these. Wow. Those little ones take a while to pop, and then they make a giant noise. Those ones kind of scare me. But these are just amazing fireworks. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Did you saw those little ones coming out? Whoa, but look at that. Look at all the, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It is super dark, but it gives more light where there's fireworks, but there's like some smoke. That one's like a never stop. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick fireworks show I decided to show you. And yeah, if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.